Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add location on your Facebook page. I'll be guiding you throughout this video, so then make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first thing, you have to make sure whether the app is updated or not. And the other thing is that you also have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. So then head over to your Facebook application. After you open up your Facebook, tap on the try bar icon located in the top right corner. And once you're directed to the menu page, tap on Pages. After you switch your account, next tap on the three dot icon located in the bottom right corner. After that, you'll be directed to Page Settings. So from here, tap on Edit Page. On the other interface, you have all your information. So right in between, you have an option as Detail, and under it you can see there are a list of options. In some of your cases, you might have Location or Address. It is the same thing, so you can tap on either one of these options. So then on the other interface, you have to enter your detail. Between there is an option as Contact Info, so you have to add your location. So first of all, you'll have to enter your street address, and after that you'll have to enter your town and city address, and then your postcode or your zip, and then a map of the location. And once you're done entering all of these information, tap on Save, and on the other interface you have successfully added a location on your Facebook page. So that is how you can add location on your Facebook page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.